in addition to banning of dog nyash, the old model Toyota Corolla in Sakra Aziz. In the 3 local governments, there will be no more operation of dog nyash and motorcycles. The security agencies are mandated by this council to arrest anyone and impound any motorcycle they have seen operating within Sakra Aziz, including Toyota Corolla, otherwise known as dog nyash. Anyone who is operating this category of vehicles will be apprehended and the vehicle impounded. And the council also decided to place a bounty of 5 million naira on any information from anyone that will lead to the arrest and apprehension of those who assassinated Dr. Tekura Susan. And we're not going to leave anything unturned. We shall work very hard to ensure that this is brought to book. It is total war against criminals, and we employ all Benue people to support us so that we can sleep with our 2 eyes closed and work for a better Benue. On the recent tension in the country on various kidnappings, from North Central Zone, from Northwest, from Northeast, the council decided to be proactive, and we have taken far-reaching decisions here to ensure that we sensitize all schools. The Commissioner of Education is mandated to sensitize all schools, especially boarding schools, but including those schools that are not boarding. Whether day school, the Commissioner should sensitize all our schools on security. Let everybody be alert, and we employ parents, we employ stakeholders, we employ traditional rulers, we employ everyone to join hands with us to ensure that we are security conscious, and any information that is not clear to us, we should seek the help of our security agencies so that will be done. The traditional rulers on their own, with the local government chairman, have also been mandated to ensure that we sensitize our people. Let us be security alert. Every one of us will be security conscious, and we should be able to alert security agencies where there are issues. They can camouflage in different forms and come around. Once you have a suspicious character within your community, you should be able to alert your government officials or traditional rulers or vigilante or security agencies so that we are not taken unaware. We have also set up a committee that will monitor this sensitization, and if there is need to take any step further, we are going to do that. For now, we did not direct the closure of any school, but we're going to be alert. The security agencies are also going to mount security surveillance in strategic places so that we're not taken unaware at any time.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.